Welcome to ReaSense Academy. Today we will adjust and mount the track wheel onto a manual wheelchair and transform it into a tricycle. The starting position is with the track wheel pointing forwards as shown. Please note that you need a wheelchair with a rigid footrest. The lever handle is used to lock and unlock the track wheel. As you can see on this scene, the track wheel is loose even though it's locked. Let's start by correcting this. Turn the adjustment nut until the clamp is tightly attached to the foot plate when in locked position. As you notice, the track wheel is lifted from the ground when I lock it to the foot plate. We have to take care of this by adjusting the angle. Find the 6 screws, 3 on each side on the track wheel, and loosen them. This is done with a 5mm Allen key. Then insert a 4mm Allen key into the screw head inside the top of the track wheel. Turn the screw until the track wheel is positioned on the ground. Tighten the 6 screws again. When you turn the track wheel into the driving position, you will find that the wheelchair casters are lifted about 5 to 7 centimeters from the ground, and this is the perfect mount. When everything is adjusted, lock the rear clamp by tightening the nut